So what is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and this time we're going to be showing you how to do the Instagram post that GaryVee does on his Instagram page all the time with the little loading bar on the bottom. It's very quick and easy tutorial for you guys today. It's going to take about 2-3 minutes to teach you guys, so let's get right into it. I'm going to open up a new sequence, and you got to make it 1080 by 1080. So if you go into settings, you just do this. Now you have the black verge, then you go down to new item again and you go to color matte. So you can make this any color you want. I'm just going to make it red for making it easier to see. So I'm just going to make it red so that it's easier to see for everyone, and all you got to do is drag and drop it in. And since your video is going to be covering the space that it's covering right now, you just got to move the position, the Y position down till you like the thickness of the bar. So I like it right about there. Then you got to move it back, and this is where keyframes come in. So if you don't know what keyframes is, you got to press this button right here, this little stopwatch button, and then you go to the end of the clip. So let's say the clip is 30 seconds long. You go right there and you end it right there. And so if I just press play for you, that's going to take 30 seconds for it to go all the way to the end. That's how you do GaryVee's edits for Instagram. So if there's any questions you have, make sure to go and leave it in the comments down below, and I'll reply to you guys as soon as I can. If you don't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's just at Bash Davidson. And if you're not subscribed to me, please make sure to leave a subscribe down below. If you did like the video, leave a like, and make sure to press the bell notification to be notified of all of my new videos as soon as they're uploaded. So I'll see you guys in the next video.